Back to the basement tour season, everybody get at me. Gotta make it home soon for these bad O's kidnap me. You ain't heard what I did, murdering's what I did. Everyone had a blast, courtesy of the kid that's real to do it once and right. You gotta take your time, she got it going on. I'm talking Stacy's mom, and this team OCD. On my Letterman Jack, talking that Musha twist, who can do better than that? That's who I play for, I know that we can make more. Cause we just run through these clubs, it's like a PGA tour. I say casino blowing up, now we call that a victory. I'm surfing on the crowd and these shorties trying to get with me. So I don't wanna come back down from inside. No, I don't wanna come back down from inside. No, I don't wanna come back down from inside. No, I don't wanna come back down. Come back down, come back down from this side. From this side. From this side. Back to the basement tour season, everybody get at me. All the fans up in the front row with them hands high, come dap me. They know how we do, they know how we live. My girlfriend is my ex now, cause she told me I should quit. Yeah, well that's real, how does it feel? Everything always be up and around. Look at the time, better we get it, we do it together and pay you no mind. That's the truth, you confused, dog, why the hell are you tripping? But a dream don't mean nothing if you don't have that vision. That's what I live by, and if you think you can fly, then you should open up them wings you got and reach for the sky. I said we're slowing you down, man, you got all you need, you gotta push it hard.